Good morning, students. Student of class 10th. Today we will take the revision of A Tiger in the Zoo. First of all, I am telling you summary of this poem. A tiger in the zoo, as it is very clear from the title that the tiger was in the zoo. The poet has compared the activities of a tiger in the zoo with the tiger in its natural habitat. The tiger moves slowly and quietly inside the cage in his very bright stripes. He takes a few steps in his cage on pads of velvet quiet and humbly, snarled in his quiet trace. The tiger should be waiting somewhere secretly in the shadow, sliding through the long grass of the wild near the water hole in a forest for wild animals where the plump deer pass. The tiger should be showing his teeth and making angry noises around houses at the edge of the jungle, showing his white fangs, his claws, and terrorizing the village. But now the tiger is locked up in a concrete cell, and all his strength is kept behind bars. He spends his time stalking the length of his cage and ignoring all visitors. The voice of the patrolling cars is the last voice he hears every night, and that is then he stares with his brilliant eyes at the brilliant stars above. Now, we will discuss some stanzas, comprehension based questions. Stanza 1, read it. He stalks in his vivid stripes the few steps of his cage on pads of velvet quiet in his quiet trace. Who is he here? He is tiger. How does he walk? He walks with pride. What emotion does he show? He shows anger coupled. What does pads of velvet mean? Pads of velvet means the animal's soft soles. Name the poem A Tiger in the Zoo, and the poet is Leslie Norris. Which words rhyme in this stanza? The rhyming words are case, race. Now see next stanza. He should be lurking in shadow, sliding through long grass near the water hole where plump deer pass. How should the tiger walk? Through the grass? The tiger should slide through the grass. Why should the tiger lurk in the shadow? The tiger should lurk in the shadow to hunt for food. Who passes near the water hole? The fat deer pass near the water hole. Where should the tiger hide to himself? The tiger should hide to himself near the water hole. Which are the rhyming words? The rhyming words are grass and pass. Now see next stanza. He should be snarling around houses at the jungle's edge, bearing his white fangs, his claws, terrorizing the village. What should he be doing near the houses? He should be snarling near the houses. Where are these houses situated? These houses are situated at the edge of the jungle. How would he terrorize the villagers? He terrorizes the villagers by showing his fangs and claws. Who does he refer to? He refers to the tiger. Rhyming words are has, village. Next is and he locked in a concrete cell, his strength behind bars, stalking the length of his cage, ignoring visitors. In what kind of a cell is he locked? He is locked in a concrete cell. The strength of the locked animal is behind bars. How does he react to the visitors? The visitors are being ignored. Name the poem. The poem name is A Tiger in Zoo, and the poet is Leslie Norris. Thank you, students. You are able to understand the poem thoroughly. Thank you.